Okay, let's have a look at a few more. As I said before, look for your log laws, but if you can't use the log laws, just use your chain rule and what you know about your logs. Alright, so we have our first one, y equals ln of 2x plus 1. And there's no log law I can use to simplify that. So I'm going to say by the chain rule. Now notice that you do have an inside function of 2x plus 1. So we're going to be using our chain rule and saying y dashed equals. So our derivative of the log part of that is 1 over 2x plus 1. And we have to then multiply that by the derivative of the function inside my brackets, which is multiplied by 2. Okay? And that means that my derivative is 2 over 2x plus 1. Okay, let's have a look at the second one. Y equals 4 ln of negative 3x. And notice they're saying x must be less than 0. That's because we can't get a log of a negative number. So we have to make sure that x is always going to be negative so that we get negative times negative is positive. Now, in this case, yes, we could split it out and have 4 ln of negative 3 multiplied by 4 ln of 3x or of x, but there's no real benefit in doing that. We can just use our chain rule. So by the chain rule, we have that y dashed is equal to, now we have 4, the constant doesn't make any difference to our derivative there. So 4 multiplied by the derivative of the log function. So again we have our log function and then a function inside of our log function. So we have 4 times 1 over negative 3x multiplied by negative 3. Let's put that in blue so that you can actually see what I've done there. Multiplied by negative 3, which is the derivative of the function inside the logs. And now we just want to simplify things a little bit, and our negative 3's can cancel, and we have 4 over x, remembering that x must be less than 0. Alright, C, we have that y equals ln of x squared. Using our log laws will make it easier because we can actually just rewrite that as y equals 2 ln of x, and therefore by your chain rule we know that our 2 doesn't affect it. We have 2 multiplied by 1 over x, which is our derivative of ln x, and that's just 2 over x. Right, the last one. It looks pretty hairy. I can't simplify that without or using my log laws, but I can see I have an inside function here, and then my log base e is just the same as ln. Okay, so we have y equals ln of 3x squared minus 13x plus 15. And using my chain rule, my derivative is going to be, now it's 1 over that inside function. So 1 over 3x squared minus 13x plus 15. And I need to multiply that by the derivative of that inside function, which is going to be 6x minus 13. And now I just need to make it look prettier, so I need to have my 6x minus 13 above and 3x squared minus 13x plus 15, keeping in mind that if I can factorize at this point and simplify further. That's what I should do.